This is where it begins. Raw titanium, transformed at an industrial scale.
Every gram is engineered for strength, precision, and perfection.
Automation drives absolute consistency, no room for error.
Laser precision cuts titanium to exact Apple specifications. Each frame moves seamlessly to the next intelligent process. Titanium frames are milled with microscopic accuracy. Every opening is carved to perfection. Robots handle every movement flawlessly. Titanium meets Apple's signature smooth finish. AI inspections ensure zero imperfections. Color and durability are chemically bonded to the metal. This process enhances strength and corrosion resistance. Every surface is stabilized and sealed. This is titanium refined to luxury standards. Human oversight confirms machine perfection. The brain of the iPhone is assembled at lightning speed. Advanced processors meet exact alignment standards. Connections are fused with flawless consistency. And AI verifies every circuit path instantly. Hardware meets its titanium home. Camera systems are aligned at microscopic levels. Each lens is calibrated for absolute clarity. The display is handled without human touch.
Robotic appearance. Perfect pressure ensures a seamless seal.
Both power systems are installed with surgical accuracy. Every component finds its exact place.
Sealed against the elements.
Every device is stress tested.
Cleaned to absolute perfection.
Software breathes life into the hardware.
Every touch point is verified.
Audio tuned to Apple standards.
Only perfection moves forward.
Packaging matches the product's precision. Every unboxing begins here.
Sealed, protected, ready. Each one identical, each one flawless. From factory to your hands. Thousands of devices every hour.
This is the making of the iPhone 17 Pro Max.